Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Hacks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the box method with multiplication. We're going to look at a 2-digit number times another 2-digit number. Hopefully you like this. The box method is kind of interesting. It's a little bit of a long process for just a simple multiplication problem, but that's okay. Hey, if you like what you see here, do me a big solid, drop a like and a sub. I would be honored to have earned your subscription on this humble little math video. All right, let's dive into it.
All right, so the box method, or sometimes called the area model, with 2 by 2 digit numbers is very simple. You're basically going to break apart this number and this number into expanded form and write them along the top and the bottom. Here's how this looks. So that 3 is really worth 30. That 4 is really worth 4. All right. This 12, well, this 1 right here would be worth 10. And that 2 would be worth 2. Okay? Now that I have my sides laid out here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each little box. So I'm going to do 10 and 30 first. Well, I know 1 times 3 is 3. And I have 2 zeros on my number. So I'll write those 2 zeros in. Next, I'm going to do 10 and 4, which 10 times 4 would be 40. Okay? Now I'll do 30 and 2, which 2 times 3 would be 6, plus the 0 that I have on, and I'll just put that guy right on the end there. All right, now let's do 2 times 4. Well, that would be 8. Okay, so I broke this dude apart to expanded form. I wrote them along the side here, and now I multiplied. Next, what I'm going to have to do is add up the inside of this box. So let's see here. If I have it a frame down here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to have my 300, my 40, my 60, and then my 8. So I'm just taking what I multiplied and I'm going to add them up. Okay? Well, I know 8 plus a bunch of zeros is just 0. I know 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1 and you get 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the answer to 34 times 12 would be 408. All right, let's take a look at another example. All right, believe it or not, the hardest part for me with doing this box method is getting boxes that don't look terrible. Okay, let's break this apart into expanded form and then we'll just multiply. So I know the 5 in the tens place is worth 50. I know the 6 over here is just 6. Now let's take the 23 apart. So this 2 in the tens place, that would be worth 20, right? You got 2 tens. And this 3 over here is just 3. 3 ones is just 3. Now let's multiply each of these little boxes here, and we'll add up what we get. Well, 20 times 50. Well, 2 times 5 would be 10. And I have 2 zeros on each number, so I get 1,000. Ignore the rough-looking comma there. Now let's do 20 times 6. Well, 2 times 6 is 12, and then I have 1 0 on the end. Boom, put it right there. Now we'll do 50 times 3. Well, 3 times 5 is 15, with 1 0 on the end, and I get 150. Now, really simple. 3 times 6 is 18. And you can really multiply these in any order, but I prefer to work like that. Okay, now, we've filled in our little box, all of our little boxes here. Why don't we add up what's inside each box? So I will give you a little tip here. Write as neat as you can and make sure your place values are lined up. I see students, when they're doing this method, write their numbers poorly, and then it kind of messes up all the hard work they did. So I'm going to take my 100, my 120, my 150, and my 18, and I'm going to add them up. So I'll write down the 150. I'll write down the 18. Add these dudes up here. You get 8 plus a bunch of zeros is 8. Oops, my bad. 8 plus a bunch of numbers is 8. 2 plus 5 plus 1, well, that would also be 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring that comma down if you like, and then bring that 1 down, because it's 1 plus nothing. So the answer is 1,288 for 56 times 23. Now, hopefully you like the box method. I know some students really prefer it as compared to the standard algorithm. I don't, but hey, it is what it is. Students are a little bit more comfortable with this. Hey, if you like what you see here, drop a like, drop a sub, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.